One day, the king expressed his desire that along with all the wise men in the palace, there should also be a fool to entertain everyone. Thus, the search for a fool began. After much effort, a fool was chosen, and a special kind of crown was made for him. Every day, the king would ask him a few questions, and upon hearing the fool's answers, the king and his courtiers would laugh heartily. Time passed, and one day, the king fell seriously ill. The physicians gave up hope and declared that there was no cure. To ease his pain, the king decided to spend his final moments with the fool. He summoned him and said, "Today, you will ask the questions, and I will answer." The fool asked, "After your death, where will you go?" The king replied, "To my creator." The fool asked again, "How long will you stay there?" The king answered, "Forever and ever." The fool then asked, "Then surely you must have made excellent arrangements for your comfort and stay there." Hearing this, the king was stunned and replied, "No, I have not made any arrangements." Upon hearing this, the fool removed the shiny crown of foolishness from his own head and placed it on the king's head, saying, "Pardon my boldness, but you deserve this crown more than I do. You built a vast empire for a place where you would not stay, yet you made no preparations for the place where you must remain forever. Double asterisk.